Pay attention, because I'm about to show you guys exactly how we trade off an OTE. OTE stands for Optimal Trade Entry. Let's get right into it. The first thing I want you guys to do is have the exact same settings that I do with my Fibonacci tool. So make sure you have 0, 0.5, 0.79, 0.705, 0.886, and 1. Now that we've got the settings, let's go ahead and explain how we trade off an optimal trade entry. So if we look at the price action right over here, you can see that price is printing a series of higher highs and higher lows. Now that we've identified that price was previously in an uptrend, it was then followed by an impulsive move to the downside, which took out the most previous low. Once this previous low has been taken out, this right here is what we would identify as a change of character. So now we've switched from a bullish market sentiment into a bearish market sentiment. Now that we're in a sell scenario, we go ahead and we mark out the high and low of the new impulse that was created. So once we've identified the high and the low, we start to look for our premium levels, and our optimal trade entry levels sits between the 70.5 and the 79% of our Fibonacci tool. So once we expect price to pull back into this figure right over here, this is when we would expect price to bounce off from and continue in its intended direction that it has set. So now that we've identified our optimal trade entry, we also look for additional confluence that further validates this level. And if we look at the 70.5 level and the 79 level, it is perfectly in line with this level of supply that we have right over here. So let's go ahead and mark out this level of supply right now. Now that we've identified our optimal trade entry and our level of supply, we look for a level to take profit. Your take profit number 1 could be resting at the low that was formed, and your TP2 could be looking to fill further inefficiencies that was created during the uptrend, which we can see there was some inefficiencies right over here that we can expect price to come down to and fill. So this is our 2 levels that we'll be looking to take profit. Let's go ahead and see what price does. As you can see, price has now tapped into our 70.5 level, which was in line with our level of supply. So now we've gone ahead and execute our shorts with stops at the high of the supply. Take profit 1 being at the low, take profit 2 being at that area of inefficiency for a very nice 1 to 3. So let's go ahead and play price and see what ends up happening. And just like that, you can see price taps into that 70.5% and delivers straight down into that inefficiency that was created previously during the uptrend. And that's exactly how we trade off of an OTE.